ceremony today, the most important part of going to get your bear. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your heart and you're gonna put it out like this. Everyone should have had a heart for their bear. Your bear needs to have a heart, so we need to make it special. All right? So you're gonna get your heart and you're gonna rub your heart on your head. So your bear is as smart as you. If you have doubts like I do, you can go over to someone else and have a bit. There you go. Now my bear is gonna be smart. All right, now get your heart and you're gonna put your heart on your back and rub your back. So your bear always has your back. Aww. Now you're gonna get your heart and you're gonna rub the heart on your muscles. If you don't have any like me, you're gonna go to somebody else. So your bear has muscles and they're nice and strong. Now, once you've got your heart nice and strong, you're gonna rub your heart on your knee. So your bear always needs you. Once you've done that, you're gonna get your heart and you're gonna rub it on your toes if you can reach up. Rub it on your toes. Why? So your bear is totally awesome. Aww. Now you're gonna seal it with a kiss. Ew, you just rubbed it on your toes and now you kissed it. Ew. All right. Now, how it's gonna work today, you're gonna put that amazing heart that's got all that lovely juju now, and you're gonna put it inside your bear. Don't forget, all right? The stations, you're gonna get your number called. You're gonna come on up. Your bear is $28 a bear, okay? It's not free. $28 a bear. You're gonna get your number called. You're gonna come over to station number 1. And you're gonna pick your mate in a bear. You can get your dog, your bunny, an elephant, any of them, a hippo, nice and fun. You're gonna get your bear and you can come on over here to station 2 and you can get some accessories for it. They're extra on top of the 28. All right, so the amazing camp staff will be able to tell you how much the accessories are as you're shopping for the accessories for your bear. Now, you come on over and you're gonna stuff your bear so it's nice and fat. All right, and nice and cuddly. And you're gonna get it stuffed, but don't forget to put your heart inside. Then, once you're done, your bear needs to be sewed up. So you're gonna come to the stitching stations. So your stitching station is gonna be here, and your stitching station is gonna be here. We're gonna have 2 of those. And then, for the final and your parents' favorite part, is the pay station. Who's excited? Woo! And you're gonna pay for your bear and you're gonna get an amazing bag. So there you go. Who's ready to make their bear? Yeah. We're gonna call our first number. So number 1, 2, and 3. Families with the number 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna come up to the first station and begin to build your bear. Amazing. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have some fun with some kids. Let's play a game.
Alligator.
Alligator, amazing. Yes, an alligator. We have someone with their hand up over here. I'm gonna come on over here. You forgot your animal? Antelope. An antelope. Good job.
Yeah.
Very good. Anyone else know any more? You know one? You're thinking of one? Put your hand up when you know one. An animal beginning with A. Oh.
Anteater.
An anteater. Yes, we had ant and now we have the anteater. Amazing. Anyone else know one beginning with A? We run out of A. Even I can't think of anymore. You got another one?
Axolotl.
What's that? They're really cute. They look like birds. That's cool. And I'm gonna have to Google it because I don't know that one. I'm good. You have another one beginning with A? Even I've run out now. Yeah, an ape. Well done. Another one beginning with A? Yeah, an armadillo. You have an axolotl. An What? 8 and 9. Families with the numbers 7, 8. Here. Alright, I think it's time to move on to B. Does anyone know any animals beginning with B?
Bunny rabbit.
A bunny rabbit, yes, a bunny rabbit. Over here we've got one beginning with B.
And remember, stay young and have fun.